a little bit about why I do what I do in the kitchen. I believe that food is medicine. You can be eating towards wellness or you can be eating towards illness. So I like to put as many colors on the plate, really fill my plate with lots of flavors and textures and tastes and vitamins and nutrients, and create really fun, pretty, good tasting food for my family and friends. This is a precursor to the cookbook that's coming out, just so you can get a little idea of what it is that I'm doing. Now that you can see my why I do what I do, I invite you to learn how to use food as medicine, craft the most amazing dishes for yourself, your family, your friends, and really work